I walked where Jesus walked. And for someone who is raised their entire life with nothing of who Jesus is, to actually walk where he walked and then to sit at the bottom of the cross in Jerusalem, that was the first time I really understood what sin was and what his sacrifice meant to me. And that I could be both Jewish and Christian. And so he told me that my Jewish identity is unique and that he called me for a purpose with this identity. That I could be both fully Jewish and fully his.
Hello, dear brother and sister. So today is Saturday, and most of the people are sitting at home. But today we have, in my city, Netanya, we had a big rain, but we came here to the Jordan River, and I have the privilege participate in baptize from one sister from the church and one guy from the house. They make the baptized, so please continue to pray for them that their faith will be strong and they will grow to be life with Jesus. Thank you so much.
Their names.
Their names, Nadezhda, Nadia, and Igor. So please pray for them. Thank you so much and God bless.
Wonderful.